What's up guys, welcome back. In today's video we're going to be racing a 350Z HR with just an exhaust. So we're going to see just what kind of beans the Civic has, see if it's faster than an HR. Everyone says HRs are super quick out the factory, so everything's bone stock on this one besides the exhaust. But first I do have to make a couple revisions to my tune. So I'm going to go ahead and do some pulls, do some data logs, and get my tune ironed out a little bit first. That way we can do best in this race. But if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you drop a like and subscribe too. That way you get notified when any of my new videos come out. Other than that, we're going to go ahead and do some pulls. I also made a revision to the burble tune. So if any of you guys have bought a burble tune or two-step tune from me, or an e-tune or whatever, just DM me on Instagram. That way you can get the new update, because this sounds pretty gnarly. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Also just added on a new two-step, so let's try it out. Pretty cool. There's a lot of different settings that sound way different, so it's all about just finding the right one. All right, we're gonna do a 40 roll and data log it. What is that, an MKZ? All right guys, we're about to race a HR here. This one's pretty much bone stock. It just has a exhaust, that's it, right? Just exhaust? Okay, just exhaust. You got a fresh paint job there, that shit looks fire. Yeah, we're gonna do a 40 roll, 50 roll, 60 roll. First one, the 40 roll, we're both gonna be in second. And then the 50 roll, he's gonna be in third. Oh wait, no, you're gonna be in second. I'm gonna be in third. And then the 60 roll will both be in third. So should have some pretty nice races here. We'll see how the SI does. I am gonna have a passenger, but I took out the passenger seat, spare tire, and that's about it. So should be pretty close to factory weight, and then your factory weight too, right? So yeah, this will be a good one. That car is stock somehow. He's got to be spraying, right? Drop a comment if he's spraying. I think he's spraying. He's probably running a 50 shot, but I don't know. I mean, unless he might have it tucked perfectly, but it looked stock under the hood. He said it was stock. I just met the guy, but I trust him, so I don't know. That was crazy. I mean, I did have James in the car with me, so I had the passenger seat out and the spare out though, so it should have canceled out. So I don't know what's going on. Something might be wrong with the car, but I just checked my data logs. Everything's running perfectly. It's running great. So he must just have a freak motor HR, or I just don't know how fast HRs are because I've only raced DEs. But yeah, anyways, I actually drove him to Tampa right now after we got back from Mexico, and he's gonna buy this RSX. So I'm gonna show you guys what he's about to buy. He's gonna get it for a really good price too. All right, this is our worst side. It's got a little scuff there and a dent. It's got like side swiped a little bit, dent in the door, but we got an O2 RSX here, K20A2. It's only got like 130,000 miles on it. Interior is completely busted. Every Type S ever, or just RSX in general. Steering wheel's busted, back seat's busted. But he's buying the car for $2,500, so you got to think the motor itself is worth $900. Trans is worth $1,500, so he's pretty much buying a motor and trans and getting a free shell. He's not sure if he's going to keep it though, so we're going to see what happens, see what he does with it. And yeah, either way, really nice car, so happy for James. Make sure you tell him congrats in the comments too. Well guys, I have to say I'm pretty disappointed in the SI. I thought that HR was going to be easy money. Either way, I'll put his Instagram here, that way you guys can follow him if you want. He just got a fresh paint job too, so it looks really good. Either way, now me and James are on the way home. He's following me in the RSX. So we're gonna do a roll once we get back to Mexico. And hopefully this car should be able to beat the RSX. If it loses to a stock Type S, then there's definitely something wrong with the car. So we're gonna see here in a few minutes. I mean, hours. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Gear on him. I was in 4th gear, he was in 3rd, so yeah, RSX definitely needs some beans, but that means the Civic's doing good, so that 350 must have just been a freak.